We're here on the Wales coast path and we're incredibly proud of it. Wales is the first country in the world to have a continuous coastal path, and if you walk from one end to the other it will be about 870 miles, and if you wanted to complete the circuit and walk down the English-Wales border on the Offers Dyke it will be over 1,000 miles long. The great thing about the path is there will be sections for all people. So there are some sections which are quite up and down and tricky, and there are other sections which are nice and flat and graded for families or people with mobility problems, or even people on bicycles. The coast path takes you into some stunning locations, so wonderful for photographers, for climbers, for dog walkers. It's just a wonderful opportunity for getting out into this stunning countryside from wherever you live in Wales.
Well, what a wonderful idea, great project, and it'll be a great achievement. 870 miles of path all the way around the coast of Wales. It's essentially marking the shape of the nation and linking all of us together in Wales. And what's exciting, I think, is that it provides an opportunity for people in North Wales to travel and see bits of South Wales that they haven't seen before, and the same for people living in the cities of the south to see the west and the north of Wales. So it's a real opportunity to get to know our own country better. But also there'll be people coming from all over the world when they hear about this. It'll be a real tourist attraction. And for local people, of course, it links together their community facilities, their shops, their pubs, and encourages them to use the outdoors and to get healthy, because of course this is a big problem in many communities in Wales, is under activity, and the government recognised that as one of the reasons for investing in it, to get people out and to get people healthy. And every pound spent on the coastal path will bring forward 10 times that amount in health benefits and tourism income into the local communities around Wales. Dyma'r cyfle I ni creu ddigwyddiad arbennig I ddathlu'r agoriad swyddogol yma, agor y Llwybr Arfordir Cymru. A mi fyddan ni'n gobeithio bydd pawb yn ymuno ar ryw fath o ddigwyddiad ar hyd yr arfordir. Falle digwyddiad mwyaf o'i fath da ni wedi creu erioed yng Nghymru. Mewn blwyddyn, wrth gwrs, lle mae'r llgada'r byd ar wledydd Prydain efo'r gemau Olympaidd yn dod yma. A mi fydd na pobl yn dod I Gymru yn ystod yr haf, wrth gwrs, ar ei gwyliau. Ond mis Mai ydy'r digwyddiad mawr I agor y llwybr yma am y tro cyntaf.